Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bayo Adedoku. In today's lecture, I will be showing you how to download and install Oracle SQL Developer for Windows computer. Oracle SQL Developer for Windows computer. So let's get started. We have to open our Google browser. On the search bar, you type we are going to type Oracle SQL developer download. So we click on the link right here, Oracle SQL developer download. So we have different version. We have the one for 64-bit, we have the one for 32-bit, we have the one for the Mac OS, and we have the one for Linux. We have so many. So how do we determine which one we are going to download? To 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 find out that, you have to go to your PC. You have to click on the window, click on setting. From setting, you click on system, then you come down to about. So from the about, you can find out from the system type or system type the operating system you have on your computer. So right here I have 64 operating system, so I'm going to download 64-bit operating system. So right here I come to Windows 64-bit, I click on download right here. So you say I should open an account. So for someone that doesn't have an account, you click on create an account. You fill out everything right here, all the requirement details they're asking for. Then you sign up. Right, create an account right here. I already have an account, so I don't have to create a new account. So I come over here and type in my username and password. So I click sign in. So down right here, the file has started downloading. So this is going to take few minutes, couples of minutes to download. So we have to pause the video, then we'll come back later on when it is done. So now it has complete downloaded the file. So the next thing we have to do is we have to come to the task bar right here, right down here. Then we click on download. So this is the file that we download. So yeah, well, the next thing we have to do is to right click on it. Then we extract it. Say extract all. So you say, so you click extract. So this is going to take few seconds. So we have to wait for it to finish. So now the file has been extracted. So we have a folder right here. So the next thing we have to do is we click on the folder. We click on the new folder that was extracted for us. So you click on it. So we have to copy it to our C drive. We have to copy the folder to the C drive. Copy. Come to my PC. This is my C drive right here. Come to program file. Then we copy it to our. So you can paste it on this program file. So click continue. So this is going to take couples of seconds to. So oh yeah, it's almost there. So now we have the folder, on our program file. So you can double click on it. So the next thing is to create a shortcut to desktop. So you have to click on this one right here, the SQL developer. Then you send it to the desktop. So now we have our SQL developer on the desktop. The next thing to do is to double click it to launch it. So now the SQL developer, Oracle developer SQL started launching. So yeah, here we go. So here we go. My SQL developer is up and running. So that's it for today. In my next video, I will show you how to connect to it, connect to SQL developer by clicking on the red cross right here, and how to create a table. So watch out for my next video. Thank you.